Hello and welcome to Optometryreels. Today we are going to learn the art of refraction in presbyope. Presbyopes are the people who develop a presbyopia. Presbyopia is a situation where in elderly populations, due to the age, patients lose his ability to focus at the near and hence they find difficulty in reading the targets. So we have a person who is finding difficulty in reading things. And I'll ask him to read. Can आप पढ़ पाओगे ये वाले दूर करके? Now he is finding difficulty in reading at a regular reading distance. By making a distance अच्छा हो रहा है. But आप कहाँ से तक पढ़ना चाहते हो? What आपका habitual distance क्या है? ये ना? Okay, so he wants to read N6 at his normal working distance, which is approximately 40 centimeter. In that conditions, what we have to do? We have to do the refraction. And friends, today I am going to teach you or make you understand one of the very basics and the easiest way to do the refraction. What you have to do? You have to know the person's age. Based on the age of the patient, you can easily correct their prescription or give them the near addition. So friends, what we have to do, we have to know the person's age, and based on the age we can easily correct that. So the rule is for 40 years of age plus 1 is given, for 45 1.5, for 50 years of age plus 2, and 55 and above 2.5 diopter is given. So let me ask his age. आपकी एज कितनी है? 42. So between 40 to 45 it will be 1 to 1.5. So I'll start with the minimum power. आप इसको होल्ड करेंगे. Okay, put the trial frame. One golden rule is that patient distance power should always be corrected. Since he doesn't have any distance correction or distance refraction, so I have not kept anything. But अगर पेशेंट हैज़ एनीथिंग, वो आपको उसके ट्रायल फ्रेम में डाल के आपको पहले डिस्टेंस की पावर एंड अबव दैट आपको नियर पावर ऐड करना है. सो हिज एज इज 42. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट +1. अभी आप पढ़ पाओगे? नहीं? ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू इंक्रीज लिटिल बिट, 0.25 आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड टू द +1. Now he is able to read N6 comfortably. Comfortable है? So 1.25 he is easily able to manage the reading target. So friends, now you understood that how refraction for the presbyope can be done. So if he had any distance correction on the top, you have to do the refraction, and his near add as well as near prescription is 1.25. So friends, let me know what will be the near prescription if somebody has a distance correction of -1 and he is accepting an addition of +1. What will you prescribe as a near prescription or near class? So hope this video was useful and informative to you. For more such informative video, keep following Optometryreels. Please like, share and subscribe.